Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm back again with another yummy delicious recipe. We are making masa today. You can have it with a sprinkle of sugar and your Hausa cocoa, or you can have it with suya spice. Delicious. I usually have it on its own like a snack. If you want to know how I made this yummy delicious goodness, stay tuned and don't click away. As well, I'll be answering some questions that I had when I posted about the Q&A. I'll not be able to answer all, but I promise I will do it in subsequent videos. I initially wanted to do a separate Q&A video, but I just thought it would be nice to incorporate it when I'm sharing my recipes. As usual, I'll leave the list of ingredients and the measurements in the description box down below. Welcome to Lami Cooks. Here are the ingredients you need. I have here 2 cups of raw rice that I've soaked overnight. If you don't have a very good blender, maybe you can soak it longer, maybe a day and a half. But I soaked mine overnight. And I have here also a 1/4 cup of cooked rice water, and then 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, about 10 small shallots for flavor and taste, half a tablespoon of dry instant yeast, I will start off by blending the soaked rice with the 1 cup of water and the shallots all together. If you want, you can add the cooked rice at this stage, but because I have cooked mine really soft, as you saw earlier on, I'm not going to blend it. I'm just going to add it like that. But if you have a proper cooked rice, which is a bit harder, then you can add it at this stage and blend all of them together. Once it's all blended smoothly, you just make sure you don't feel any graininess in the blended butter. I'm going to add my cooked rice, which is really soft. You can see it from here. And then in no particular order, I'm going to add the yeast, the sugar and the salt together. I'll mix it well until all the ingredients is incorporated together. I will cover it with a cling film and set it aside to ferment. Now note that the main aim is not to have your rice butter to rise. That rhymes so well, rice butter to rise. Yeah, so that's not the main aim. The main aim is to start creating that fermentation. So don't worry if your rice butter doesn't rise. Good rhyming, right? Depending on how warm your kitchen is, it may take about 3 to 6 hours for your butter to start developing that foam and then that fermentation. So keep an eye on it. It might even take less if you live in a very warm place. You can see the fermentation happened already as the foam has started forming on top. I'll give it a quick stir. Whilst I'm doing this, my pan is on fire already, started heating up for me to fry the masa. One thing I've noticed about cast iron is it takes a long time for it to heat up. However, once it's heated, everything goes so fast. You will see this later on. I add my olive oil and wait for it to be hot. Once it's hot, I'll just go ahead straight and add my butter. I find the non-stick one works much better because you don't need a lot of oil. But trust me, if you're using the cast iron, you need quite a bit of oil, otherwise your masa will all stick to the pots. If you don't have this one, you can always use the frying pan as well. You will not get the shape, the masa shape, but it does the job of cooking your masa at the end of the day. I'll wait for it to start forming the crust and then I'll flip it over. This is very important because if you flip it too early, the crust will not form, so you have to take your time. See how beautiful the first side has cooked. I'm using this mini kebab skewer, which I find does the job really well. If you want your masa a bit more golden, leave it longer. but this is just perfect for me. I love how it looks. Have you liked this video yet? What are you waiting for? It really helps my channel, so please click on the like button if you're watching till now. And if you're watching and you've not subscribed, I don't know again what to say. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit on the notification bell. I'll let it cook on the other side. Now, it depends on how hot your pan is. So keep checking and see if the other side is cooked as mine is right now. Remember I told you once the cast iron is hot, everything is going to move fast. You will see what I'm talking about with the second batch. Try to control your temperature if it becomes too hot. Now let me go ahead and answer the questions from the Q&A. The first question is from Rashida GH. Are you in Ghana? If no, which country are you, please? And are you married? Rashida, no, I'm not in Ghana. I'm currently in Dubai, in the UAE. And yes, I'm married with 2 kids. The second question is from Karizak Simple TV. Please, do you buy African foodstuff in Dubai or you order from Ghana? Karizak, yes, I order from Ghana. I bring it from Ghana. However, there's a lot of African markets in Dubai that if I really want to, I can get my stuff from. But currently, I get my things from Ghana. The next question is from Frida Ashali. Please, what are some of the challenges involved in running a YouTube channel? Okay, I will speak as a food YouTuber. Let me put it that way. So, especially living outside, sometimes there are some recipes you really want to record, but you don't really have the proper ingredients to make it authentic. So you have to improvise. And usually when people watch, you're like, oh, this is not how it's being done. Yes, because you're living outside Ghana, getting some of the ingredients is very, very difficult. As well, if you're working full-time and doing YouTube, it can be a bit challenging managing both together. As I promised, I'll answer the rest of the questions in my subsequent video. My masa is ready. Look at how beautiful it is. Serve your masa with a sprinkle of sugar and your Hausa cocoa, or you can have it as a snack with your suya spice, or you can have it with any other soup you want or any stew. Trust me, because it's rice, it's also really nice with soup and sauces. Thank you so much for watching till now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share this recipe with family and friends until I come your way again with another yummy-licious recipe. Take care of yourself. Enjoy. Bye.